When it gets hot like this, I like to make a salad that I don't even have to turn on the oven for. This is a really good one. It's just a variation on an Asian chicken slaw that lets you use up a whole bunch of things you have in the fridge. Let me show you how I did it. I just used a half a cup of fresh lime juice. I'm gonna add 2 to 3 cloves of garlic. You can use sugar, but I like to use monk fruit. A couple teaspoons. Need a couple tablespoons of fish sauce, which does not taste fishy. I'm gonna add some of this toasted sesame oil. I'm just stirring it until the sugar, actually I'm using monk fruit, dissolves. I'm gonna dump in a whole bunch of chopped green onions and let the whole thing sit and marinate for about 10 minutes. Already in this bowl, I chopped up some purple cabbage, green cabbage, and I grated a carrot. I happen to have a bunch of snap peas, so I'm putting those in. Some leftover sprouts from the farmer's market. I had a handful of those, they're not going to waste. Okay, now we need 2 jalapeno peppers. I'm just gonna take the seeds and the stems out so they won't be quite so hot. In goes jalapeno 1, jalapeno 2. You need a 1.5 cups of peanuts, or you can use almonds. I just bought some pre-made rotisserie chicken. Oh, it's good. This is the point where you figure out that no matter what size bowl you start with, you should have started with a bigger bowl. I'm gonna top it with some fresh herbs and no turning on the oven tonight for dinner.